Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little bit of a crazy hairstyle. You might understand what it is. These are all of my scrunchy things, and I'm just gonna put them all in my hair. A lot of people have been doing this, I'm pretty sure, because John Cena did this, and she's just the new trend, so I think I'll have to do it in color order because that makes sense, I guess. But I don't know how many I'm getting to put in my hair. Like, do I need 2 ponytails? Because I'm getting my hair cut in an hour, and I need to do this before, I can't do it anymore, you know? So, we'll just start with the first one. And I brought my hairbrush so I can... Here, hold on, let me just take it. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover now because I'm not going to add music and I don't really want to count how many there are. So that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Yeah, that's 3. And then 4. Well, no, that's just still 3. And then 4. And then 5. And then a broken green one I got from Urban Outfitters because they suck. Just saying that. So that's 6, I think. 7? I already lost count, but I'm just going to go 7. 8. Is that 9? Yeah, 9. Probably 10. Oh, it's going fast here. Oh, 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. I was running out of space here. It was really hard. 15, right? I think I'm at 15. I hope so. So 16, 17, possibly 17, 18, 19 maybe. I don't know. I kind of lost count here. I'm just giving an estimate. I think is that 19? It should be 19. Okay, so then I'm trying to put it in another and it did not work. I think I'm still at 19. Oh no, that's 20. No, okay, no, it's not 20. Just took that out. Okay, so then I added to my bang. So then that's 20. And then 30. No, then 21 and 23. Wait, 22. Why can I not remember basic math? And then I added 2 regular, thick hair ties to hopefully think it's gonna straight up straight, but it didn't. So technically it's at 25 now. I feel like I should have done the 2 ponytails because everything would have been a lot easier. But I was posing, giving you some cover girl angles, and then I was showing you how many I have left in there. So I obviously should have done 2. So I guess I'll get back to you when I get my hair cut and when I'm back home, because I'm going to the mall afterwards with my friend, and I can't go like this. So this is after I got my hair cut, and I got about 4 inches off, and I also got my hair highlighted, and I got those red pants at the mall with my friend, and that's about it for this video. It was really boring, and I'm really sorry you had to sit through it, and here's my awesome poses that I definitely should never do again. And now I'm running out of video, so this is just a really short video, and I'm just going to talk to make it longer now. So, what are your opinions on Chris Evans? How is he? Do you think he's a beautiful man? My mother thinks he's ugly, and I think that hurts. I guess she doesn't think he's ugly. She thinks he's the ugliest of the Chris's. And I don't know how I feel about that. It kind of hurts my feelings, but that's just, I guess this could be what splits up our family, and I may be on the street soon. It could happen. And now I'm kind of terrified. So please give me your opinions on Chris Evans in the comments, or else I will be very sad. And I guess that's it. And I'm sorry you can hear me swallowing my spit. That's kind of gross. But goodbye.